Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video I am going to show you 2 steps to resolve the overheating issue on your laptop or the system. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Go to start menu, then click on setting option. Now click on system, then click on power and sleep. Now you will see the additional power setting option on the right side. Click on this. Choose the option whatever you have chosen, like high performance or balanced. Click on the change option, change plan setting. Now again click on change advanced power setting. Now scroll it down and expand the option processor power management. Expand this option and then expand the option minimum processor state, and on the battery set is 75% and plugged in 75 this as well, and hit enter. Now reconfirm this. 75% is done. System cooling policy, it should be active, not passive. Plugged in, active. Now expand the option maximum power state, this, and set it 75 and plugged in. Make this 75 as well and apply, and then OK. Now one more thing we can do. Now these settings are related to overheating issue because we have set the maximum power state and the minimum power state on our system. Press Window plus R button together. We need to tweak some changes in the registry so that your overheating issue will be resolved. Type here regedit. This setting is very powerful, and for the advanced users, click on yes button. Now copy this path, or you can navigate through this. Now minimize all the like this and paste this part to your registry editor. After pasting it, hit enter. Now you can navigate through this path like system, current control version, services, TimeBrokerSvc. Now this is the complete path of this. This is a complete path, TimeBrokerSvc. Click on start option, this, double click on it and change its value to 4. Click on apply, OK, and close this option and restart your system. The changes will take effect after the restart and your overheating issue will be solved. If you are still facing same issue, then you can clean your CPU and paste some thermal paste on it and also clean your system. So hope this small video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.